In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Facebook ads on Instagram. Starting off, the integration between Facebook and Instagram has opened a whole new realm of advertising opportunities. It allows you to leverage the comprehensive ad management tools of Facebook to reach your audience on Instagram effectively. We'll walk through this process step by step, so even if you're new to this, you'll know exactly what to do by the end of the video. The journey begins at the Facebook Business Manager. This is your hub for managing all aspects of your Facebook and Instagram advertising. If you're not already logged in, your first step will be to click on Login with Facebook. Use your Facebook credentials here. It's essential that the account you use has access to the Facebook page linked to the Instagram account you wish to advertise on. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll oftentimes be met with a dashboard showcasing various options and metrics. Your aim here is to navigate to the Ads section. You'll usually find this at the lower left panel of your screen. This section is the gateway to all your advertising activities, analysis, and campaign setups. Clicking on Ads Manager will bring you to the heart of your advertising universe. It's here where all campaigns are born, nurtured, and analysed for performance. You'll get a direct link to the Ads Manager at various points of the interface, so it's hard to miss. Once there, you'll want to head straight to the Campaigns tab to start the process of launching your Instagram ad. The Campaigns page is pretty self-explanatory, but teeming with powerful features. It gives you an overview of all your campaigns, their statuses, results, and quick links to relevant actions. For our purpose, however, you'll want to focus on the ad sets section. Now, why the ad sets and not directly to creating an ad? Because ad sets is where you define the heart of your campaign. It's where you choose your target audience, budget, schedule, placements, and more. It sets the stage for any ads you create under it. Hovering over an ad set, you'll find the Edit button. Clicking this is crucial as it's where you can specify where your ad will be shown, including on Instagram. Once in the edit mode, you need to find the placement section. It's in this part of the setup where Instagram comes into play. By selecting Instagram, you're indicating that you want your ad to appear on the platform. It's a crucial step because it ensures that the budget you're allocating and the audience you're targeting will be directed to your Instagram ad placements. At this juncture, you'll encounter the option to connect your account. If you've not already connected your Instagram account to your Facebook Business Manager, you'll need to do so. Click on Connect Account, and you'll be guided through a straightforward process. This part requires login credentials to your Instagram account, so have those handy. After clicking through to connect your account, simply follow the prompts to authenticate and link your Instagram account. This process is seamless and designed to ensure that your advertising experience is as integrated and efficient as possible. Once your account is connected, you're essentially done with the setup process. It's important to remember though that connecting your accounts is not the final step in launching your ad. You'll need to finalize your ad's creative aspects, budget and schedule after ensuring the technical connection between Facebook and Instagram is in place. Through these steps, you're leveraging the robust advertising system of Facebook to create, manage and optimize ads that will appear on Instagram. It's a powerful way to expand your reach, engage with a broader audience, and ultimately achieve your marketing objectives more effectively. Remember, the effectiveness of your ads on Instagram will heavily depend on the quality of your creative content, the relevance of your target audience, and the allocation of your budget. It's always a good practice to review the performance of your ads regularly and make adjustments as needed. And that wraps up our guide on how to run Facebook ads on Instagram. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating compelling ads that capture the attention of the Instagram audience. Don't forget to experiment with different ad formats and creative strategies to see what works best for your brand. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, share it with someone who could benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.